All right, so on Tale of My Pachinko Machine. So as Mo Performance pointed out, this piece right here is actually broken. It's actually supposed to continue to come down and over and around, just like this little piece of copper wire that I just bent into place. My original thought was I was going to try to see if I could figure out how to 3D print a part, or just kind of wait on getting a troll eBay or whatever to try and find a replacement part. But inspiration struck today, and I realized there's almost no real stress on this part at all. It doesn't need to hold any weight. It doesn't need to do anything other than essentially sit there. It periodically waves out of the way, and what it's there to do is this arm with the linkage that goes up to the top, it with the balls running through the machine when there's a payout, this arm will actually rock back and forth repeatedly unless this catch is here to catch it. So this took me maybe 15 or 20 minutes to bend into shape, kind of referencing against Mo Performance's video. I just noticed a part that I have in the wrong spot over here. Fixed. Not a big deal. And this actually works great. It works perfect. I'll probably still keep my eyes open for a replacement part on eBay, or I've never really done any 3D printing, so maybe I'll try my hand at a little bit of 3D modeling and printing. I did some 3D modeling way back about 15 years ago or so, but I haven't really done anything since. So just to show you how this part works, it actually works great. I've used it repeatedly. Just because of the way that I have this bent up here into shape, it's actually very snug, so it's not going to just easily work its way loose. So here goes. See? Works perfect. Let's go for another one. And as you can see, it just kind of does exactly what it's supposed to do. Nothing rubs inappropriately. It swings into position the way that it's supposed to. It works great. So, talk to you all later. Bye.